Now the first question of LPP, that is we have to minimize z, which is equal to 6x plus 2y, subject to the condition that is x plus 3y is greater than equal to 3, x plus 4y greater than equal to 4, and 3x plus y greater than equal to 3, where x and y both are greater than equal to 0. Okay, now in this type of sum, condition is given that x and y both are positive. That means your graph will come in the first quadrant, because in the first quadrant both the variables are positive. Okay, so to simplify this, first we have to plot the graph of this constraint. Okay, first, second and third. So we will first identify the points. Okay, so we will draw the table for this. So you will write first here in equation, then you will write equation, then you will write x is equal to 0. That means here we will substitute x is equal to 0. Then you will write y is equal to 0. Then you will write points. Okay, then you will write the region where the line region will come. That means away from the origin or toward the origin. So we have the first equation, that is x plus 2y, sorry, this is 2y greater than equal to 3. So this is greater than sign, so I will write this equation with the equal to sign. So x plus 2y, which is equal to 3. Okay, now here I will put x is equal to 0, so I will get y is equal to 1.5, or 3 by 2 you can write. When you put y is equal to 0, then you will get x is equal to 3. So my first point is, suppose I am naming this as point as 0 comma 1.5, and b point is 3 comma 0, because x will come first then y. So I am getting the 2 points, that is a 0 comma 1.5 and b point is 3 comma 0. Now this equation is greater than type, so this you will write away from the origin, away from origin. That means we have to consider the region above the line, that means away from the origin. Okay, now for the second line again we have to consider same way we have to draw. So x plus 4y greater than equal to 4, so x plus 4y is equal to 4. Again x is equal to 0, so you will get y is equal to 1. You will get c point is 0 comma 1. Then you will get y is equal to 0, so you will get x is equal to 4, so your d point is 4 comma 0. So c point is 0 comma 1 and d point is 4 comma 0. Again the region is away from the origin. Away from the origin. Okay, now similarly for the last constant, that is 3x plus y is greater than equal to 3. So 3x plus y is equal to 3. So again x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. Okay, so my e point is 0 comma 3, then y is equal to 0, x is equal to y is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1. So my f point is 1 comma 0. So you will write the point e 0 comma 3 and f point 1 comma 0 away from origin, because this is also greater than. okay, away from the origin. Now after doing this we have to plot the graph. Now we have to plot here, so I am taking the x-axis and this is y-axis. So take a point, so maximum point is 4 here, so we'll take a distance of 1, that is this is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, and there also 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now we plot the points. So first one we have 0 comma 1.5, so 0 and 1.5, this is your A point. Okay, next one we have 3 comma 0, so 3 comma 0, this point. Okay, this is your B point. Now we can join this line. Okay, okay, so this is the line. Okay, now second line. Now equation 2 we have 0 comma 1, so 0 and 1, this is, then we have 4 comma 0, so this is 4 and 0, so this is C point and this is D point. Okay, we can join this line, so you will get the second line. Okay, this is line 2, equation 1, and this is equation 2. After this we have to take another point, that is 0, 3 and 1 0, so this is 1 0. Okay, this we can join, so this is line 3. Okay, now we have to identify the region. So as we know, all the lines are away from the origin, so this is also upward direction, this is also above, and this is also above. So we have to shade a region which where all the region will lie. So this is the region where all the line make a common region. Okay, so these are the corner, these are the points, this and this is the feasible points. Okay, or you can say that the corner point of a feasible region, because this point is unknown, name this point is S, D, this is E, this is F, you can name this point as G, and this point unknown point as H. Okay, so these 4 points we have the corner points of the feasible region. Okay, so how to, first we have to identify the coordinate of this G and H, then this coordinate we will substitute in the Z function, and that function will give you minimum. Okay, so that point we have to select which is minimum among these 4 points.